Good morning, friends, and I'm Nanma from BSc BEd Physics. And today I'm going to talk about very interesting and important topic, the meaning, nature, and scope of mathematical reasoning. Okay, so let me start with a simple question. Have you ever calculated a discount while shopping? Like we can see on the shop like 50% off or 20% off. That time, did you ever calculated how much will be that or checked how much time it will take to reach school? Like sometimes you will be get late to uh, reach the school, and you will calculate the time like how much time is there left for uh, the start for starting the class, like that. And or even compared marks with your friends. While getting the answer sheet, you will compare your marks with others, right? So if yes, or if you do such things, then congratulations, you are already using mathematical and quantitative reasoning in your daily life. And now we can go to the meaning of the meaning. And mathematical and quantitative reasoning is not just about solving sums or equations. It is actually the ability to think logically using numbers, data, and patterns. And mathematical reasoning focuses on logical thinking, while quantitative reasoning focuses on numbers and data. Okay, in simple words, we can say that using your brain to understand, analyze, and solve problems with the help of numbers. Okay, and next we can move to the nature or characteristics. First one is logical thinking. Actually, the mathematical reasoning is always logical. It follows clear steps and does not depend on guessing. For example, when we solve a problem, we follow a proper method. And next one is analytical in nature. It helps us break big problems into smaller and easier parts. So it means the analysis can be done. So we can calculate or we can find the answer very easily. This makes even difficult problems simple to understand. And next one is, it is based on facts and data. It is not based on opinions or feelings. It uses numbers, facts, and evidence. For example, when we say one product is cheaper, we prove it by calculation. It's not just about an opinions or feelings or emotions like that. It have a correct evidence, or we can prove by calculation. And next one is it is universal and consistent. Actually, the mathematics is the same everywhere in the world, no matter where you go. Like 2 plus will be 2 plus always, means 2 plus will always be 4, right? In every part of the world, 2 plus 2 is 4. There will be no change. Okay, this makes it reliable and trustworthy. And next one is problem solving approach. Its main aim to find solutions, whether it is in studies or daily life. It helps us to solve problem effectively. Okay. And next we can move to the scope, that is where we use it. First one is in education. It helps students to develop critical thinking and understanding. It is used in subjects like science, economics, and statistics. And next one is in daily life. In daily life, we are using the mathematical reasoning in many situations, like managing money, calculating time, or understanding mobile data usage, etc., etc. We are using in many situations. Okay. And next one is in professional fields. It is very important in many careers, like engineers use in design buildings, doctor use it to analyze reports, business people use it to calculate profit and loss, etc. And next one is in decision making. It helps us to make smart and informed decision. For example, choosing the best option based on comparison and analysis. And these all are the main scope of mathematical and quantitative reasoning. I hope that you all are understand up to now, and now we can move to the importance of mathematical and quantitative reasoning. It helps to think clearly and logically. We can think about it, a particular situation or problem. We can think clearly and with logically. It solves the problem easily. We already said about the analysis and all things, so we can make the problems or solve the problems easily, and also we can make the better decisions and understand the world around us. Okay. And before conclusion, let me ask you all one question. If a shop gives 30% discount on a product, how will you know if it is a good offer? You will calculate, compare, and then decide, right? So that is quantitative reasoning in action. And now we can conclude. To conclude, mathematical and quantitative reasoning is not just a school subject. Actually, it is a life skill. It helps us to think better, act smarter, and solve problems in a logical way. In today's world, it is not optional, it is essential for everyone. And that's all for my topic, and thank you.